The Prophet ﷺ was sitting in the masjid with his companions when a man walked in the door. Prophet ﷺ looked at that man and he pointed towards that man that just walked in. He said, "See that man? He is from Ahlul Jannah." He was telling his companions. From who? From amongst the inhabitants of paradise. So Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, being who he was, a devout worshipper, always searching for new ways to get a lot of reward. That was his life. He wanted to know what quality, why this man is from Ahlul Jannah. So he spent 3 days with this person. But he did not find anything special. No extra prayer, no extra fast, no extra charity, no nothing.